What is the law of attraction? To put it simply, the law of attraction is having the ability to attract into our lives whatever we are focusing on. This law means that regardless of age, nationality or religious belief, we are all susceptible to the laws which govern the universe. Just like gravity, if you throw something in the air by law it must come back down, same with the law of attraction. You attract what you think about. It is the law of attraction which uses the power of the mind to translate whatever is in our thoughts and materialize, manifest or bring them into reality. All thoughts turn into things. If your focus is on negative things like doom and gloom, you will bring more doom and gloom to you. If you focus on positive thoughts and have goals, the universe will send you ideas and people that will help guide you to the things you wish for. The law of attraction is still one of life's big mysteries. Most people are not fully aware of how much this law impacts their life. The law of attraction has a very big role to play in our day-to-day life. Remember, it does not matter if you use it the right or wrong way. Every day, all day, we are human magnets sending thoughts and emotions and attracting back more of what we have put out. It is unfortunate, most of us are still blind to the potential that is locked within us. Consequently, it is all too easy to leave your thoughts and emotions to wander and do whatever it wants. This sends out the wrong thoughts and attracts so much unwanted emotions and obstacles into your life. I say all this to say, when you discover that the law of attraction is at work in your life, it should be a celebration. Once you learn how to use this attraction law, it is no longer secret, and you have the power to shape your own future. Learn how to effectively apply these laws to your everyday life. Your entire future is yours to create. Good luck. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe below this video.